Over time, exterior surfaces develop organic buildup that affects appearance and how long a cleaning actually lasts. Many traditional pressure washing methods rely on force alone. While this may provide short-term results, it often leaves behind organic growth at a microscopic level. Excessive pressure can force water behind siding, stress exterior materials, and contribute to premature wear, without addressing the root cause of staining. Elegant Estates uses professional soft washing methods that allow detergents to dwell on the surface, breaking down organic growth safely and effectively before rinsing. Each service includes a property protection plan and a thorough cleaning of siding, soffits, fascia, foundation walls, and the face of the gutters, using surface-appropriate techniques. After detergent application and proper dwell time, surfaces are thoroughly rinsed, leaving a cleaner exterior that remains clean for far longer compared to pressure-based methods. The result is a brighter, refreshed exterior, cleaned safely, thoroughly, and with attention to long-term performance. For safer, longer-lasting exterior cleaning, contact Elegant Estates today.